Hey everyone, here is a math problem that looks simple but has a 95% failure rate. What is 1/2 divided by 1/4 multiplied by 1/2 plus 3/4? Pause the video. Think about your answer. Is it 1? Is it 1.75? Is it something completely different? Type your guess in the comments right now. Let's see if you can beat the odds. Let's clear this up. The secret lies in how we read PEMDAS. The M for multiplication and the D for division do not have a strict order. They have equal priority. That's right. Multiplication and division are like siblings with the same age. You don't always let multiplication go first. When operations have equal priority, you must solve them from left to right. This is the non-negotiable rule that will unlock the correct answer. Let's solve this together step by step. Here is our equation again. 1/2 divided by 1/4 times 1/2 plus 3/4. Step 1, we move left to right. The first operation we see is division. So we tackle 1/2 divided by 1/4. Remember, dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1, so 1/2 times 4/1 equals 4/2, which simplifies to 2. Now our equation has become 2 times 1/2 plus 3/4. Step 2, still moving left to right, the next operation is multiplication. 2 times 1/2 equals 1. Now we are left with a very simple problem. 1 plus 3/4. Step 3, addition. 1 is the same as 4/4. So 4/4 plus 3/4 equals 7/4. And there you have it, 7/4 or 1.75. So the final answer is 7/4. If you got it right, congratulations, you're in the elite 5%. If you didn't, don't worry. Now you've learned the crucial left to right rule that will change how you see these problems forever. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more content that turns tricky math into simple, solvable steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.